Mango.
I thought dried mango are supposed to be hard.
Lasang yan si Cash. Hi, Danny. Do you want to fly? I could be your banana. Kasi na nangyayari sa'yo, lasing ka na, no? Hindi lang kita kabate, nagkakaganyan ka na. Away-away mo ako kanina, tapos ganyan ka ngayon. Gusto mo ba? Subuan kita. Hindi. Hindi ko makagat.
Ano yung OJ? Kailangan pa isa pa.
Hi, Chase. Robot nga! Nadagbot!
Ano ayoko nito? Gawa akong PPT.
Sige. Sige, Casper,
Oh, thank you, Leon. Thank you, Leon. Where are you from, Leon?
Hello, Bamboo.
Where are you from? Thank you so much.
Hi, GN. Good morning, GN. Nag-aaral kasi akong mabuti eh.
Thank you.
Sa kaharap sa phone.
Thank you so much. I used to live in the Philippines. Really? So, you're a Filipino? Are you half like that? Something like that? Are you half Filipino or are you pure Filipino? By the way, thank you so much for sending me that gift. It really means everything.
Hanggang to GN, ha?
Hi, Mars.
Nag-aaral ako mabuti. Uy, baka malunod ka, Cash. Baka lasing ka ngayon.
Hi, Mars. So, you're a Filipino, Leon?
Jen, anong ginagawa mo dito sa video mo mga oras na ito? Naghanap ka ng si Casper, patawa-tawa lang. Ay, advance na guys. Thank you.
Ang lang pala ng hair.
Kahit third year pa lang naman ako, no?
Mandaluyong. Oh, so you're a Filipino. Oh, Mandaluyong is really far. Pero now, nasan ka? Are you still in the Philippines or... Where are you right now?
Linda ko ano.
Eating dried mangoes. This is my last. I'm gonna, toothbrush na. I'm gonna brush my
Ay,
teeth.
parang nakakadiri yata yung ginagawa ko, no?
Parang nakapamay pagsipsok.
Hindi ka naman ganyan sa akin, Kesh. Lagi mo na lang akong sinasan tabi.